Hi everyone and welcome to the EEG or the English Easy Gold Star channel. In this video is the continuation of the lesson on articles, specifically a or an. Right up. In the previous video, we discussed about the article the, and we said that the is a definite article so that it modifies a specific or particular noun. Now let's go to the article a or an. Okay, so it is an indefinite article used to modify non-specific or non-particular nouns. Okay, compared to the modifies specific or particular nouns. Okay, for a or an, it is non-specific or non-particular nouns. That's why it is an indefinite article. Okay, now let's look at the examples below. Okay, using a. All right, let's read a chair. Again, a chair. Next, a pen. A pen. Next, a story. A story. Next, a film. A film. Okay, next, a book. A book. Next, a cat. A cat. Okay, now let's go to an, using an. Okay, let's read an apple. An apple. Okay, next, an orange. An orange. Next, an eggplant. An eggplant. Next, an ice. An ice. Next, an ostrich. An ostrich. Next, an umbrella. An umbrella. Okay, can you see the difference? Now let's go to a. Okay, we use the article a when the noun it precedes starts with a consonant. Okay, so a chair, a pen. Okay, it starts with a consonant. And likewise, a story. This starts with a consonant. A film. Okay, film starts with a consonant. A book. Book starts with a consonant. A cat. Cat starts with a consonant. Okay, so we use a when the noun or the word it precedes starts with a consonant. Okay, these are all consonants. All right, now we use an. Okay, when the word it precedes or the word after an starts with a vowel. All right, vowel. That's why an apple, apple starts with a vowel. An orange, orange starts with a vowel. An eggplant, eggplant starts with an E vowel. Okay, an ice, ice starts with I, it is a vowel. Okay, an ostrich, ostrich starts with a vowel. And an umbrella, umbrella starts with a vowel. Okay, now you see the difference. These are all vowels and the other side are all consonants. Okay, that's the difference between a and an usage. But just the same, all of this are composed of an article plus a noun. All right? Okay. And what is the article? It is a or an. Okay? Good. Now let's read some more examples using a or an. Okay? So please read with me. A clock. A clock. A clock. Next, a door. A door. A door. Next, a ring. A ring. A ring. Next, a phone. A phone. A phone. Next, a person, a person, a person. Next, a bird, a bird, a bird. Next, a farm, a farm, a farm. Next, a kite, a kite, a kite. Next, a nose, a nose, a nose. Okay, the other side using an. Let's read an office, an office, an office. Next, an impact, an impact, an impact. Next, an undertaking, an undertaking, an undertaking. Okay, next, an amount, an amount, an amount. Next, an elf, an elf, an elf. Okay, we have said that we use a when the word after it starts with, okay, consonant, right? These are consonants, right? And we use an when the word after it starts with, okay, vowel. All right, vowel. All right, okay, consonants versus vowels. However, there are exceptions to the rule, okay? Now let's look at these examples below, okay? A university, okay? University starts with letter U, okay? We said that a or a should be used if the word after it starts with a consonant, okay? Consonant. But this one is a vowel, okay? This is a vowel, but is an exception, okay? Because U here is like pronounced as Y, okay? The letter Y, university. That's why we use here the listening technique, okay? So when we listen to a university, okay, university is like starting with the letter Y, which is a consonant, okay? So it is a consonant sound. Did you get it? And likewise with this one, a user, okay? This one starts with a vowel, okay, U. However, if you use your listening skill, then U here sounds Y, okay? Y is a consonant sound, all right? Y, a user, all right? Now, let's go to this one. A once in a lifetime, okay? So once starts with another vowel. It's the O, okay? We said that a is used when the word after it starts with a consonant, but in here it starts again with a vowel, okay? But when we use our listening skill, okay, once here like starts with W, okay, which is a consonant sound. W, a once in a lifetime, okay? A w, w is W. It is a consonant, all right? So use your listening skill in here. A once in a lifetime, all right? This is the second exception, all right? And then the third one is a European. All right, this starts again with a vowel, letter E, okay? So if we listen and use this skill, European here like starts with the letter Y again, European, right? So listen to it, a European, which is is a consonant, okay? Y, all right? It is a consonant. Now let's look at the other set of exceptions to the rule. Okay, we said that we use an when the word after it starts with a vowel. Okay, however, in this case, look, an hour. All right, hour starts with a consonant. Okay, however, if we use our listening skill, then H here sounds like ah, ah, which is a vowel sound, right? An hour, right? So it's like ah, an hour, ah, right? So this is an exception, right? And then likewise with an honest, okay? This starts with a consonant, okay? However, if we listen to it again, it starts with the ah sound, okay? Ah, honest. It's silent H. That's why an honest, okay? An honest sounds like ah, which is a vowel, all right? Then next, an SPA, okay? SPA is a special power of attorney, all right? An SPA, again, SPA starts with a consonant, all right? S. However, if we use our listening skill, then S here sounds like eh, okay? Which is a vowel sound, all right? An SPA, all right? We're clear with that? Okay, and likewise with this example, an LCD, okay, starts again with a consonant. However, if you listen to it, starts with the sound, which is a vowel, okay? An LCD, vowel sound, all right? And likewise, an X-ray starts with a consonant again. However, the sound is which is a vowel sound, okay? An X-ray, all right? Yes, so we are done with the article a or an. Thank you so much for watching, and we hope that you keep learning with us. Again, please stick around for the next video. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to this channel. Bye for now.